How wars will be fought in the future, the rise of futuristic warfare. The wars of tomorrow won't be fought by soldiers on the battlefield. They'll be triggered with a single click. By people in silent rooms, wearing no armor-only headsets. This is the age of futuristic warfare. Gone are the days of tanks roaring through the mud. In the future, wars will be fought in the clouds, in cyberspace, in orbit, and in mines. AI-controlled weapons, autonomous drones. No longer need human pilots. Powered by artificial intelligence, these machines can identify, decide, and strike faster than any soldier ever could. They can learn from every battle, every mistake, and they never sleep. Cyber warfare: why bomb a city when you can shut it down? Future wars will begin with cyberattacks, disabling electricity grids, airports, satellites, and financial systems. Hospitals may go dark, governments may lose control, all without a single missile being fired. Space-based weapons: the race for space is no longer about exploration. It's about domination. Nations are developing orbital weapons that can strike targets from above Earth's atmosphere. Lasers, kinetic rods, and jamming devices to blind enemy satellites. The skies are no longer safe. They are the front lines. Robotic soldiers and exoskeletons. Imagine a soldier who never tires, who can lift a car, who can heal themselves using nanotechnology. Exoskeletons and robotic enhancements are redefining the physical limits of the human body, creating super soldiers for the future. Hypersonic missiles. Hypersonic missiles travel faster than sound and faster than defense systems can react. They don't follow predictable paths. By the time you detect them, it's already too late. The next big war could end in just minutes. Mind-controlled warfare. Neurotechnology is merging man with machine. Soon, soldiers will fly drones, fire weapons, or analyze data using only their thoughts. Brain-computer interfaces could allow entire armies to be controlled mentally in real time. Bioweapons and genetic wars. The scariest wars may not explode. They may spread. Biological weapons designed to target specific ethnic groups, or viruses engineered to disable soldiers without touching civilians. War may go microscopic and terrifyingly silent. War of the machines, AI versus AI. But here's the twist: in the future, wars may no longer be human decisions. Artificial intelligences may declare and fight wars on our behalf, making strategies, deploying weapons, and negotiating peace, all within seconds. And the real danger? We may not even understand why they made the decisions they did. Post-war future, the human cost. In the end, even the most advanced wars still lead to human suffering. The technology may evolve, but the pain remains the same. Cities destroyed, lives shattered. The real question isn't how we'll fight. It's why we're still fighting at all. Futuristic wars will be fast, unseen, and unstoppable. But the future of war is not yet written. It depends on the choices we make today. Let's make sure the machines fight for us, not against us.